What's happening YouTube, your boy Tech TRX back in another video, and today we are gonna replace our iPhone 10 screen because I made a mistake. I definitely cracked this one up. So here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit the notification bell so you get notified when videos come with tips and tricks, and also a bunch of repairs just like this one. Check out our merch below at 1130.ca. Hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. If you want to get one of these screens, this is from DIY Repair Screen Replacement. Every time I replace a bunch of screens just like this and a bunch of iPhone screens, I usually buy them from DIY Repair, and they're pretty good actually. So without further ado, let's go ahead and see what we have in here. As you can see, it comes with a bunch of wipes right there, which we'll put on the side for now. It also comes with a replacement tempered glass screen protector. There you go, pretty good. It also comes with this, which will seal back your iPhone. You can have the seal back, the waterproofing on there, pretty good. Now let's open this up, and as you can see here, this is the actual screen itself. For iPhone 10, very nice, looks pretty good. Let's see what else we get in the box. Crazy part about these guys is you can actually just buy the kit and you'll be able to get everything. Like this has the cloth right there. This also has a bunch of tools that you get out of the box, so that's pretty good as well. We'll take it out right here and see what we can use out of these. I have my own kit, but we're just gonna use the one from DIY Repair and see how far we can get out of these. There you go, pretty good. Put on the side for now, and the instructions manual. Let's put those on the side for now, and let's go ahead and open our iPhone 10. First of all, what we'll need to do is turn that off. Take off our case right there. Bunch of spider webs on there. So first step, of course, is the penelope bottom right here. Just gonna open this up. There you go. Now the key points of these is actually making a map of where you put your screws. You don't want to lose them and forget where they go. You end up with extra screws. So there you go, pretty good. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna heat this up so that we'll be able to open this up with no problem. During this process, I ended up using the iFixit eye opener. If you want to get one of those, I'll link those down below as well. It does help out on warming up or loosening up the adhesive inside. And then I used the suction cup that was provided in the DIY Repair box. There, very nice. Once you got that pick in there, then you're just gonna go around slowly. We're just gonna slowly pry it open. Be careful with the broken glass as well, that it doesn't break it. There you go, just slowly do it. There you go, very nice. Easy does it now. There you go. Once everything is good, you should be able to just open it like a book. Very nice. There you go. Now the iPhone 10, it's not like the normal screens that Apple has. Just be aware of that. It's not the top down. It's like a book like this, so you could see there. Now the first thing that we need to take off, don't get too excited yet, is this part right here. These are the Y's. The tool we are using is the 0.6 Y. There you go. Again, we're gonna put it on the side where we can remember where it goes. There you go. There you go, very nice. Just gonna take this guy off. Top part should be able to just come off like so. There you go, very nice. Now we're gonna take the point spudger and then we're gonna take off the front panel assembly. There you go. And then the next guy would be this guy and that guy. This guy right here. I'm gonna just open that up right there. Very nice. And then the other guy is this one right here, down here. There you go. Pretty good. Now to take this off, you'll need this guy, and there's adhesive behind here. Like so. Just slowly do it so you don't break the connector. There you go, very nice. And then after that you should be able to take off the screen. There you go. Now let's put this phone on the side for now. We don't need that yet. Very nice. We're gonna compare the original one to the one that was sent to us by DIY Repair. And as you could see, it's pretty similar to each other. We're gonna take this guy off, this sticker. There you go. Don't need that anymore. So the next step is to take your Y again and go to this screen right here, the old screen, and look at the screw up here and take that out. There you go. Just gonna put it over here because it's a different part. Very nice. And then there's two more screws that we need to take off, which is this guy right here. There you go, which we'll put on this side, and then this guy up here. There you go, pretty good. So now we'll just have to pry this out slowly because the earpiece is with this. Slowly does it now. There you go. If you open it up like this, you'll see that this earpiece still needs to be taken out. So now what we'll need to do is pry this over on this side, on the bottom, and slowly pick this guy up like that. And then we're gonna pick up the middle as well. And then the last part, you'll use this, peel it off like so, just slowly. There you go. And then that whole piece should be able to come off. Just slowly pick away at it. Nothing too crazy. Okay, so First step of this is put it on the new screen now. There you go. Is to put this sensor on the right spot first, and then the ambient sensor on this side right there. Very nice. And then that guy right in there. Beautiful. And then we're gonna place this back like so. There you go. Making sure that nothing is lifted or anything like that. Pretty good. We're gonna put back all the screws now. There you go. Take the screw on this side now. There you go. And the last step is this guy right here. Making sure that it's still intact. A very small piece. Can't get it, just use a tweezer and align it up there, just like that, and tighten it up. There you go. Once that's good to go, we're gonna install the adhesive to make it waterproof again. But first, we need to take off the old adhesive. There you go. All the adhesives are gone. Very nice. Let's take this off. Let's put this on here, making sure that it aligns to the right spot. There you go. Very nice. Now we're just gonna press on each side right here. Get the adhesive right onto the metal part. Now that we have that on, finally, I'm gonna put these things back like so. And let's try it on and see if it works. It does work, so let's put the metal back. Face ID works, that's a good sign. Make sure everything is flattened, nothing is open or nothing like that. Very good. The bottom right there, very nice. Nothing is left, no screws are left over. That's good. There you go, all good to go, and that's it. Let's see if the Wi-Fi works. Go to Google. I'm on Wi-Fi. Very good, that works. The Bluetooth works. There you go. We're gonna go ahead and turn off our Wi-Fi and see if our cellular data works. Go ahead and go back here. Gonna delete that and open up a new one. Let's go with google.com. Really good. There you go. See if our phone works. Calling. Hello?
Okay.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. How about let's go with speaker. Check, check, check.
Yeah. Yeah.
Nice. Okay. And then now let's do the camera. Video. Let's take a video right now. Let's see if the audio works. Camera still works. Blah, blah, blah. Check, check, check. Camera still works. The mic on this side, the mic on the front. There you go. Let's test this out. Check. Camera still works. The mic on this side, the mic on the front. There you go. Everything works. Good to go. And then the last piece of the puzzle, of course, is the screen protector. You want to install that as well. While you're at it, we'll just grab the wet side, the wipes that is given in the DIY repair. There you go. We're gonna wipe it down, wipe it down. There you go, like so. Very nice. And then let's do the dry now. Just like that. Dry it all up. Very good. Boom. Okay, once that's all good, All you need to do is hit number 1 like so, and then drop this down. Make sure it aligns to the speaker like so. And that's it. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope I was able to help you on how to replace the screen for your iPhone 10. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to check out my YouTube channel, and hope to see you guys next time. Peace out.